In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove highlights in Adobe Acrobat PDFs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your file, select a highlight, and remove it cleanly, along with a few tips to avoid common hiccups. First, open Adobe Acrobat. This works in Acrobat Pro and most recent versions of Acrobat Reader as well. Go to the File menu at the top and choose Open, then browse to the PDF you want to edit and open it. Give the document a second to fully load so all comments and annotations are recognized. Next, locate the highlighted text you want to remove. Click directly on the highlighted area. When Acrobat recognizes it as a highlight annotation, you'll see a small box or handles appear around it, and you may notice a mini toolbar or a comment pop up. That visual cue means the highlight is active and ready to be edited. If clicking doesn't activate anything, make sure you're using the selection tool rather than a hand or pan tool, and try zooming in slightly to click precisely on the highlighted zone. If it still won't activate, there's a chance the highlight isn't an annotation at all, but part of the page content, such as a scanned image or a flattened PDF. I'll share a tip on that in a moment. With the highlight selected, removal is quick. Press the delete key on your keyboard and the highlight disappears instantly. If you prefer using the mouse, right-click directly on the highlight and choose Delete from the menu. Both methods achieve the same result. If you delete something by mistake, use Undo right away with Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac. Take a moment to scroll and confirm the change looks as expected. If you have multiple highlights, repeat the same action on each one. When you're done, save the PDF to keep your changes. Saving under a new file name is a safe practice, especially if you're making multiple edits and want the option to revert. A few helpful notes. If clicking does not activate a highlight and delete does nothing, the highlight may be baked into the page content. In that case, it isn't a comment you can remove with delete. You would need to use document editing tools or request a clean source file. Also, if you're managing many highlights in one document, the comments pane can list them all in one place so you can review and remove them more efficiently. Finally, if performance seems slow, close other large PDFs to free up memory.